What a beautiful day. We're lucky to be here at a special event at Motor Park Romania. We're gonna test 6 Honda motorcycles. In this event you can test multiple motorcycles, not only from Honda but from CF Moto, Benelli and so on, Triumph. But today I will be focusing on Honda motorcycles, and I'm gonna start with the GB350S, the bike which I've already done a review, an overview video regarding this bike. I'm pretty interested to test ride it, and what a great place to be. And we first go to the lineup.
Nu depășești, nu mergi tare, încet, în ritm, să vezi cum e motorul.
People, they can ride their own motorcycles, they can ride the brand's motorcycles. The position on the GB350S, it's pretty comfortable, very low. The seat, it's pretty low. And now we are on the red team, so to speak. Aha! Nice. The position is comfortable. It's towards the front a bit. And this was our first bike, the GB350S. A very nice experience, honestly. Motor Park Romania. This was the GB350S. Guess what's the next motorcycle which we're gonna test? The new Hornet 1000. Oh, the position, it's pretty comfortable, more comfortable than I was expecting. Wow. What a sound. All right, and here we go. Unfortunately, we don't have the new Transalp for test ride. We're looking forward to test it pretty soon. MotoRide EXPO. This is the event. Today it's for press testing, but a lot of people have come with their own motorcycles. They can test them on a track. Our next bike will be the Honda NT1100, the new one, model version 2025. I've tested this bike the first time it was launched, and we could have missed the Honda NC750X 2025 model version. We're gonna test it today, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm getting back on the NC750X. This time is the 2025 model version. I'm pretty excited to check how this engine works. It's also a dual clutch transmission, a DCT gearbox. So this one, I look forward to test it. Getting back to a DCT gearbox motorcycle, it's quite awkward. So we have Sport 1, Sport 2, Sport 3, then comes the drive mode, but of course we're gonna keep it on the Sport 3 mode. The position is very comfortable, and here we go. NT1100, important updates for 2025 model version. We are on the sport free mode, and the bike, the gears are not shifted during the turn, as many people complain about it. And the engine pulls very good. So far I've tested the GB350S, Honda NT1100 and the Honda Hornet 1000. It's a small break right now. People are preparing to test their own motorcycles on the track. We will take some drone shots, take a few shots with the atmosphere, and we're coming back. The Honda NC750X will follow at the end of this test ride session. I'm looking forward to check the new DCT gearbox, how it's working. I haven't ridden this bike since 2021. I've ridden this bike in 2021, the previous version, and my bike I've ridden until 2022, the end of 2022. And now 2025, new model version for this Honda NC750X DCT gearbox. I'm glad that I'm able to test the DCT gearbox. I look forward to see how it feels. We have a new dash, an updated DCT gearbox, few tweaks on the engine, a new headlight, double disc brakes. Our next bike, it's the x-adv 750, the new one. I'm looking forward. Why? Because it's the same engine as the Honda NC750X, which I'm about to test at the end of this session. I'm also interested about the suspension, to see how comfortable it is, the riding position. The handlebar, it's pretty wide. You can see it's pretty wide. This is a scooter with the motorcycle handlebar. This is pretty useful in case you want to grab your phone mount or navigation. Pretty useful. We selected the sport mode. Dada. Oh, nice. Rain mode, gravel, user 1, user 2, standard. Basically it's the same display as the one from the Honda NC750X. We're gonna get used with it for the next ride. The seat height, very good. The suspension, wow, it's pretty soft and comfortable. Let's proceed. First, the fast ones, the green vests. All right, let's go. Oh, wow. So this is my favorite one for today. If I would rather get back in time and buy a motorcycle as my first one and to really enjoy it, I think I would opt for this x-adv. Because of the bigger engine, you don't have so much storage space. This is an inconvenient, especially when you compare it with the ADV 350 or Forza 350. Now we have a bigger engine which takes place of most of your storage space. But what an experience, and I'm honestly thrilled about the experience. I look forward to test the Forza 350 as my next try, and then we're gonna move forward to the NC750X. The next one is Forza 350, a scooter that I would really like to test it due to its practicality, due to its storage space, which is among the biggest in its class. And storage space, it's an important factor, especially when you're riding in the city. This scooter is not too big for the city either. I found it very practical. and of course you can sit very well on it. I've also ridden this the previous version of the scooter 2 weeks in the city. Now I would like to see what are the differences when we are speaking about this one. Yes, indeed. Salut. All right. Not so good visibility, but definitely a next level wind protection. These mirrors are adding an extra safety features due to their visibility. Honestly, I can see this especially on this racing track. Perhaps we can push it here. These were our laps with the Forza 350. The mirrors, they were really helpful this riding session. I was able to check what's happening behind me. Honestly, they were really a great help. Last but not least, we are testing the Honda NC750X 2025 model version. I feel the handlebar, it's very far. It's too much in the front side, pretty awkward. Average fuel consumption on the racing track 5.7. In terms of ergonomics of the buttons, ergonomy, I found it a little bit too far from my finger. A very pleasant experience. It's close to its end today at Moto Park. Se poate poză? She's very nice. This was the event. I was able to test 6 motorcycles. It's time for some conclusions. I've tested 6 motorcycles, and what can I say? I was very impressed about the x-adv. Was really over my expectations in terms of comfort, in terms of the riding experience, the suspension. I like it. The acceleration, everything on this bike was really over my expectations. The x-adv, the first time I'm actually riding this type of bike. It's pretty expensive, honestly. It's over 14,000 euros. It's quite a lot, but it offers, it delivers, honestly. So the first on my preferences today was the x-adv. I was testing the Hornet, the new Hornet 1000, NT1100, x-adv, Forza 350, GB 350S, which was also a very pleasant experience. The NC750X, and let me speak a little bit about each single bike I've tested today. The NC750X didn't surprise me. Or what can I say? I was expecting perhaps more after 2 generations since my last NC750X. So indeed there is more power, there is more torque, higher RPMs, but there's not so much improvement overall in the riding experience. It's a more refined gearbox. The DCT, it's more refined now, but still what can I say, the same uncomfortable seat, the same low there's not so much wind protection with a standard windshield. What can I say, the new NC hasn't impressed me so much. Maybe I was expecting too much out of it. I will definitely go for the x-adv. I think it's a much more capable bike with the same engine. If you would like to choose between the two of them, I will definitely choose the x-adv, but consider also the price. Check out this yellow field.
The new Forza 350 also was a very nice experience. It made me think about upgrading from the SH150i, but I still need to consider. I would like also to test ride the SH350 to make an overview, to make an idea. Hornet, a new Hornet 1000, very powerful bike, not my type of bike, but it was a really nice experience to ride it. The event in general was well organized. Of course, it could have been better. The track was very crowded. There were basically 3 types of vests which you can wear according to your riding speed: green, blue and red. I was wearing red and blue. I was able from time to time to exceed a little bit the speed and to be able to enjoy the bike a little bit. GB 350, a very pleasant experience, a very nice sound. I think honestly today, from all the 6 bikes I've tested, if it wasn't to make a choice, I will go for the x-adv #1 and perhaps the GB 350S, which brings back the joy of motorcycle riding.